Hi guys, I'm at MWC2026 in Barcelona, and I found something very different. This is Unihertz Titan2Elite. This device will launch on Kickstarter soon in March this month. And for the Titan2Elite, they have two colors. This is the apple style orange color, and this is also black, very style. Physical keyboard supported Android smartphone. So this is the front side. Get a long skirt, long corner skirt. Back side is also rectangle camera zone. This time we use the 50 megapixel camera. As 50 megapixel, the photo 2 times the front side is 32 megapixel. Also has 4.3 inch OLED screen. Trade and also the domestic. Still on 400 mAh processor. This is basic animation on screen.
This is so ridiculous.
Yes. So Kevin, when the product will be shipped?
To say, you have to go get a media briefing and they'll give you the official answers.
Systems, keyboard, RAM from the 2 GB RAM plus 2 6 GB RAM and 16 black orange color.
Unihertz
Which one to provide?
Elite.
Second year we launch in March 2026.
This is the orange color.
Good to see you, my friend. Did I make you a stressful year or not? I hope not. And this is Petter. Petter's punct and apostrophe. So you'd recognize everything.
Almost every press here today asked me about
Clicks, yeah, of course.
the relationship between us.
Yeah, what's it?
Unihertz Titan2Elite.
咱们这个是开这个是。 那没问题，没问题，回头给你一个。他会拿很多的，回头给你一个。
So you can choose the physical buttons. Also we can use the virtual button.
没有人抓，现在没有抓一把的地方，问他来几个人，没有抓一把的。去吧去吧。
Back.
10年前收了一块给他，现在在10年后他自己在收。你们 you have to train him with a camera. Basically,